Hi there, it's Stephanie, and I am very excited about this video that I'm putting out. We've got a lot going on. So the last video, I showed you how we cut down our bottles in the process, and we were focusing on wine bottles last week. So this is one of the finished products, and they turned out just beautiful. And we've had great success this week. I did a Facebook Live video on our Facebook page, which is Burning Bottle Candle Co. And we had lots of folks join in and order the products. I'm actually in the process of shipping this beautiful baby doll out today, along with this little companion piece. We've kind of gotten into doing some vessel candles as well. And then you're gonna see later on in this video, we got a new shipment in. I'm very excited over that. So I'm gonna do a little scent reveal. And I've also just spent some time studying up and learning a little bit more to perfect my video skills. So I'm gonna show you a little bit about what I've been doing there. So it's been a great week, and I'm just excited about continuing to put out more videos and just learn and grow more with our candle business. And our Facebook page is just growing. I've launched an Instagram page. It's doing really well too. It's Burning Bottle Candle Co. So different content on the Facebook page than the Instagram page. So that's really great. And our website is just getting tons of hits. So it's been a really big, fun change, changing the name from 502 Candle to the Burning Bottle Candle Co. And I just feel like it's just getting better and better each day. And thank you for joining us on our journey. So here we go. Thanks. Okay, so we're kind of excited because we just got a new order in from one of our favorite suppliers, the Flaming Candle Company. And I'm really excited because this is a new order of wax, which we need. But beyond that, this is our Christmas scent order. So, well, not our big Christmas scent order, but just kind of like the beginning of it. So we got a few new scents, and I really don't even remember what we got. Well, this isn't really Christmas. This is like a winter scent reveal. So we've got Cocoa Butter Cashmere. I know you can't really see that, but I'm gonna open it up and smell it because I'm so excited. That smells amazing. It's like a very, very warm, kind of sensual. It smells really good. I cannot wait to make some candles out of that. That's gonna be amazing. I kind of had to like convince Roger to order that one, and he's definitely not gonna regret that we got that one. That's great. Vanilla Birch. This is going to be just another amazing one. So for me saying that this was a Christmas scent reveal, I was completely wrong. This is like a winter scent reveal. Oh, another great one. This is probably just as good, if not better, than the last one. And Birchwood Pine. Oh, amazing, amazing. So these are all just like kind of very wonderful, warm, sophisticated scents. I just cannot wait. Really didn't want to do like the traditional Christmas, like everything. So the cool thing about the Flaming Candle Company is they always send you a free sample. So that's cool. So this one that we got is, Be Enchanted. Who doesn't want to be enchanted? I want to be enchanted. I want to be enchanting, and I want to be enchanted. That's interesting. Don't know. Wait and see. I have to look that one up, see what that's all about. And we got a little North Pole. North Pole is like one of my favorites. We got that small size just to kind of play around with it, see what we want to do with it. Actually, we got two North Poles. North Pole is like a perennial favorite. So, we got lots of wicks, because we need those. And then a giant order of wax. This is 45 pounds of wax in this box. I can barely even deal with this. Like when the FedEx guy came today, he was like, Stephanie, this entire box is like 51 pounds. Obviously it wasn't. It was probably a little bit over 45 pounds. But anyway, he was like, what do you want me to do with it? And I was like, just set it down and I'll just push it into the house. Roger can deal with it when he gets home. But anyway, super excited. My pumpkin's still out. Here it is, not even mid-October. And I'm ready for my cozy winter scent reveals. So we're gonna start working on those. I'm gonna get Roger busy cutting more bottles on Saturday in between football games. So yeah, he'll be out in the garage with football games up on the TV and cutting bottles. So that's what we'll be doing. Yay! So anyway, that's it. That's my winter scent reveal, I guess, part 1. Ooh, and I got some really fun opportunities to sign up for a winter market today. That's going to be really cool. That's in Louisville. It's going to be at the Logan Street Market. So kind of excited, kind of nervous. Apparently it's going to be an outdoor market. The cool thing is I have an awesome cozy winter coat. So, you know, and we always have bourbon and that warms us up. So yay for bourbon, yay for warm winter coats. So anyway, all right, cheers. Thanks. He likes the weather as much as I do. Happy October.
Plus button, or if you hit Command minus button, this is going to zoom out. Now, editing is a simple.
I spent the afternoon enjoying the beautiful October weather and learning as much as I could about editing videos. I hope that you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and check out our website, burningbottlecandleco.com. Thank you so much and take care.